fine motorbike. A girl could feel special on any such like. Said James to Red and Molly, my hat's off to you. It's a Vincent Black Lightning in 1952. And I've seen you on the corners and the cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. And he pulled her on behind and down to Box Hill they'd ride. Said James to Red and Molly, here's a ring for your right hand. But I tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. For I've fought with the law since I was 17. I robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. And I'm now 21 years, I might make 22. And I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, I'll give you my Vincent to a ride. Come down, called Sergeant McCrae. Well, they're taking young James 80 for armed robbery. Shotgun blast to the chest, left nothing inside. Come down, Red Molly to his dying bedside. When she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. Still he smiled to see her cry. He said, I'll give you my Vincent to a ride. Said James, my opinion, there's nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Iron Nortons and Indians and Greaves won't do. Now they don't have a soul like a Vincent 52. And he reached for her hand and he slipped her the keys. Said, I'll have no further use for these. I see angels on aerials in leather and chrome. They're coming down from heaven to carry me home. And he gave her one last kiss and died. Oh, he gave her his Vincent to a ride.